What's up guys, in this particular tutorial I'm going to show you how to fix this error on your Woocommerce site. You can see from what I have here, this is my shop page for this particular site, but you can see that despite I set this particular page to be showing like 30 products per page, but you can see that it's just showing 2 products per page. If I should click on the next page, it's only showing 2 products instead of showing more products than this. So now I'm going to quickly show you how to fix this particular error. So without further ado, let's just go straight into the tutorial. Hello everyone, you're welcome to Blast channel. My name is Kingsley and I'm excited to share another tutorial with you today. If you're new here, please consider subscribing and clicking on the notification bell so that you don't miss out on future videos like this one. The first thing we're going to do, we are going to head over to our dashboard. You can see this is my dashboard. So we are going to be making use of code snippets. So if you don't have any code, you can just download any code snippet from the WordPress repository. So you just go to plugins and add new and select, just search for code snippet and install anyone. But I'm actually using WP code. So you can just install and activate WP code for your on if you don't have it. So once you install and activated it, you will see it here. So just come over here and click on add new snippet. So I'm going to click on add new snippet. So once it opens, I'm going to now add the PHP code I will be using. So once it brings here, I'm going to click on add new. So once it opens up, it's going to pop this up for you. So now you're going to click on PHP. We are going to select PHP. Then I'm going to just paste in the code over here. So I'll be leaving the link to get the code in the description box below. So you just get it. It's just a short piece of code. So now I'm going to just name this anything. Let me say product number. Product number on. So this is it. So now I'm going to you can update it if you want it. Let's say for example you want per page to show just 20, you can set it to be 20. If you want 21, 16 or any number you want, just update, change it over here. But right now on my own, I want it to be showing, let's say 30 at a time. So now I'm going to once I've done that, I'm going to come here and activate this. And so once you save that, I'm going to let me go to this page and reload this particular page and see if it's going to show me my full products right now. So let me reload. So you can see after refreshing my website, you can see the posts are now showing. Well, if I should scroll down, you can see the posts are now showing. So the products are now showing as expected. So this is simply how to fix this particular error. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like it, share it and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you get notified each time I upload content like this. So this is where I'm going to stop in this particular video. Catch you in the next one. Until next time, bye for now.